Nagpapatuloy ang investigasyon ng Armed Forces of the Philippines sa dalawang sundalong nakaladkad sa issue ng confidential funds ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon kay AFP spokesperson Colonel Francel Margareth Padilla, sinisilip nila kung may mga paglabag sina dating Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group Chief Colonel Raymond Lachica at isang Colonel Dennis Nolasco. Muli rin niyang iginiit ang pakikipagtulungan ng AFP sa investigasyon ng House panel ukol sa usapin.
This is an ongoing investigation. No? In our part for the Armed Forces of the Philippines, we're looking at the merits of the case on kung ano pong pwede namin makita doon in terms of administrative issues that we have to address. And kung meron man, that's when we will be acting accordingly.
Tiniyak din ng AFP na kanilang poprotektahan si VP Sara alinsunod sa kanilang mandato. Kasunod ito ng pahayag ng pangalawang Pangulo na hindi na siya tatanggap ng karagdagang security personnel dahil wala na siyang pinagkakatiwalaan.
In this country and not color. Sa AFP, sir, we will be performing our duty to protect her no matter what, and we will ensure her that each of us can perform that duty. Kung sino man po i-detail sa kanya will be selected based on merits, and they will be professional and loyal po sa chain of command.
In the heart of changing lives, ito si Brigada Kath Austria ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.